Hey, today we are getting plastic out of our cells. Your body is a landfill, packed with plastic down to the tiniest cell.
No.
Oh, yes, it is. That's a fact. Some people have more, some have less, depending on their lifestyle and exposure. Plastic has been found everywhere in the human body: blood, liver, lungs, digestive tract, and more. Boom! But don't worry, in this video, we are going to fix that problem. Or at least, we try to. But first, in my last video, I explained what everyday habits you can change to reduce plastic exposure and potentially support detoxification. And as promised, in this one, I will break down several possible pathways that may help mobilize plastic from your cells, and which specific natural plant compounds could support this process. Of course, all plant-based. Go vegan. Save the animals, the planet, and your health. Almost 9 years vegan and countless clients. I've been through all the ups and downs, so you don't have to. Go to my homepage and sign up for coaching. Do it now. Anyway, I said potentially because science isn't there yet to prove that these compounds directly remove plastics from human cells. Right now, we only have anecdotal evidence and good science showing that these same substances can help remove other toxins via similar cellular pathways. So stay until the end to learn which ones they are and which foods you need to eat to get them. Because we are all about foods, baby. Let's start with the key detoxification pathways: TFEB, lysosomal exocytosis, and NRF2. TFEB, the master regulator of lysosomes and autophagy. It's a transcription factor that controls genes linked to lysosome formation, autophagy, cellular recycling, and exocytosis, the expulsion of cellular waste. When TFEB is activated, the cell ramps up its internal cleanup program. TFEB responds to cellular stress, meaning signals that the cell needs to tidy up. Under normal conditions, everything runs smoothly. The cell grows, stores, produces, but doesn't clean. TFEB stays inactive in the cytoplasm because it's phosphorylated by mTOR-C1. When mild adaptive stress occurs, known as hormesis, such as fasting, exercise, plant compounds, like we are coming to that, or mild oxidative stress from sauna or cold exposure, mTOR-C1 is inhibited. Then TFEB becomes dysphosphorylated, moves into the nucleus, and activates genes through the clear motif, coordinated lysosomal expression and regulation. The result? More lysosomes, increased autophagic flux, removing defective components, and lysosomal exocytosis, where lysosomes fuse with the cell membrane and expel their contents. That's key for eliminating indigestible materials like nanoparticles or debris and restoring cellular balance. Next, NRF2 is the body's main defense factor against oxidative and chemical stress. It regulates over 200 genes, including these here. Normally, NRF2 is bound to KEAP1, which marks it for degradation. When we experience those positive stressors mentioned earlier, KEAP1 becomes oxidized, releasing NRF2. It then enters the nucleus and binds to AREs, antioxidant response elements, activating genes that boost the cell's detox capacity, antioxidant defenses, and toxin transporters like MRP, ABC. New research shows crosstalking between NRF2 and TFEB. Activating one can enhance the other. Other relevant detox and recycling pathways include lysosomal exocytosis, AMPK, SIRT1, PGC1 alpha, and HSPs. Go look it up yourself and learn something useful. Don't be lazy. Now, what are the plant compounds I mentioned? There are many powerful ones, but let's focus on a few of the strongest. Sulforaphane, one of the most potent detox compounds found in broccoli, especially broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane activates the NRF2 pathway, ramping up phase 2 detox enzymes, glutathione system, UGTs, GSTs, which help metabolize and eliminate chemical contaminants like BPA and phthalates. It can also activate TFEB and lysosomal programs, increasing lysosomal formation and exocytosis, helping cells expel waste material, like all the pathways I just explained. You remember? No? Go watch it again. These mechanisms are supported by experimental studies, though what happens after mobilization isn't well understood. Most protocols are still experimental. So why do practitioners use them then? Because they see people's health improving. Still, such protocols should only be done under professional guidance. Book my coaching. If you do it yourself, stick to real foods. They are milder and safe. Our bodies are incredible systems designed to detox naturally. Trust your biology. If you use higher doses of sulforaphane, you can overload your system. Toxins get redistributed and cause damage elsewhere. That's why you would need biting agents to help eliminate them. But that's for another video. And it doesn't stop with sulforaphane. There are many other compounds with similar potential. Healthy food is truly amazing. Just to name a few: curcumin from turmeric. Studies show protection from heavy metals, pesticides, and air pollutants. Some animal studies found it reduced oxidative stress from plastic exposure. Resveratrol from grapes or peanuts. Animal studies show protection from BPA and phthalate toxicity. Oxidative stress, reproductive harm. Quercetin from onions, apples, berries. Protected against microplastic-induced liver and kidney damage in animal studies. EGCG from green tea, shown to protect DNA and lipids from nanoplastic exposure. Trehalose, spermidine, berberine, and countless others we don't even fully know yet. Food is truly powerful medicine. How to get the most out of cruciferous veggies? Broccoli sprouts, cabbage, etc. don't contain sulforaphane directly. They contain its precursor, glucoraphanin. It needs to be activated by the enzyme myrosinase, found in the plant, and some gut bacteria. It's released when plant cells are damaged by chewing, cutting, or crushing. If you cook broccoli above 60 degrees Celsius, myrosinase becomes inactive. Then your body relies on gut bacteria to convert glucoraphanin, but that varies a lot from person to person. Bioavailability can drop up to 80 to 90%. Not so sure about those numbers, but to maximize benefits, eat broccoli fresh, raw, or lightly steamed, maybe 1 to 3 minutes, to preserve myrosinase. Or, pro tip, add raw mustard, horseradish, or daikon to cook broccoli. These contain active myrosinase and boost conversion. By the way, many sulforaphane supplements contain only glucoraphanin without myrosinase. Those cheap bastards trying to fool us again. But not us. We see through the lies. And once again, Iggy just saved your life. So like, comment, and follow for more.